From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, State College. We have another nice, beautiful day with blue skies overhead. A few cirrus clouds drifting off in the background there. But we do have some changes that are on the way. You wouldn't know it by looking at this sky, though. It's pretty nice outside, 57 degrees, dew point at 32. The air is very dry right now, and winds are out of the west at 17 miles per hour, so it is a bit breezy, especially in some of the open areas out there this afternoon. Temperatures across central Pennsylvania generally in the 50s. Some areas off to the east in the valleys are in the 60s. More of the same as you zoom out across the state generally, we're in the 50s. Looking ahead through time, those clear skies are going to eventually give way to cloud cover late tonight, and that's when we're going to start to see some of these changes for our forecast. You'll notice cloudy skies here in State College for rush hour tomorrow morning, and there will be some showers as you wake up across the northern tier of Pennsylvania. These are slowly going to drop southward through Center County as we head through the morning before we eventually clear. These showers are associated with a frontal boundary, and if you couldn't tell from the radar, you'll be able to tell from the temperatures, because we'll start out in the low to mid 40s. Not a bad night tonight, not chilly by any means. But by tomorrow afternoon, we're really not going to rise all that much. In fact, by 2:30 in the afternoon, only 48 here in State College, and holding strong in the 30s up in Bradford. That's going to give way to a clear and calm Friday night, also a pretty cool Friday night. If you have any plans to take you outside, it's going to be chilly. 10 p.m., temperatures generally in the 30s, even some areas across the northern tier. Outlying areas will definitely be in the 20s by this point. And as we head through the night, Friday night into Saturday morning, by the time you wake up, again, 20s and 30s across the state. Good news is, though, that we're going to be dry. Your forecast for tonight, partly cloudy skies, 41 degrees, not a bad night at all. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. They will remain gusty overnight, possibly upwards of 20 miles per hour. As we head through the day tomorrow, it's going to be a day of transition. We'll start out with some morning showers. They'll quickly move through and give way to afternoon clearing. 52 will be your high temperature, although that will probably be relatively early in the day before we slide back into the 40s for the afternoon. Winds will be pretty hefty again, 15, 20 miles per hour from the west. Taking a look at your 7-day forecast, well, beyond tomorrow, it's really a whole lot of nothing. We'll start out this period a little cool, 45 degrees, your high temperature on Saturday after a morning start in the upper 20s. Then we slowly start to climb out of the 40s and back towards normal to even above normal Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week, all in the low to mid 50s and all dry. So not a whole lot happening in the 7-day. Get out and enjoy the nice, tranquil weather next week. Have a great evening.